Good morning students. Today date 2205. Today I am going to start a new exercise, that is 1.7. Chapter 1, same chapter running on because this chapter is so long. So knowing our numbers, name of the chapter is first question. 1a is estimate by rounding off each number to the nearest tens. I will send the photo click of this particular chapter. So nearest tens, you have to convert the nearest tens and then you have to find its real value accordingly. Accordingly means if it is plus sign, if it will be plus sign, then work out plus, minus sign work out minus, multiply sign work out multiply, and divide will be divide work out. In this way, so 1a question is, figure of the question is 83 plus 78. First of all, it is already told to convert into nearest tens. So by making the arrow sign, follow here, by making the arrow sign, nearest tens follow. I have already given you that for tens we have to follow the ones place. The ones place is less than 5, means it is 3. So finding number will be same. So 8 is same, and next to finding number will be zeros. So we have converted 83. The round off of 83 is 80. Similarly, round off of 78 is 80. You can understand with the help of the given rules. Now this workout is addition plus sign. So we are adding here and getting 160. This is the answer of question number 1a. Now the same question 1f, this workout was belonging to plus, but it is belonging to minus. Same nearest tens, I have converted into nearest tens, got this much, converted nearest tens, got this much. The workout is belonging to minus, so we are subtracting here and getting answer 1700. This is the answer of question 1f. Now question number 2, estimate by, question number 2 is estimate by rounding off each number to the nearest 100. 100, every rule is same. You have to follow, you have to consider the rounding off rule of nearest tens. So I am not, question number 2 is same processing, so I am not explained right now. Now I am directly jumping to question 3. Question 3 is estimate by rounding off nearest thousands. 3g. I have already jumped up to 3g because this workout is belonging to product multiply sign, and we have to first of all, according to given instruction, we have to convert it into nearest thousands. So as per rule, for nearest thousands, I have to follow the 100 place. 100 place is 1. So before finding number will be same, after finding number will be zeros. So after conversion to nearest thousand rule, we have got 3 to 000. Multiply sign keeping same. By making arrow sign, we have converted according to nearest thousand. I have got 7000 and 32 000 and 7000. So according as per rule of mathematics, zeros number workout we don't, so we have to multiply only 32 and 7. 32 and 7 we have to multiply. I have shown here the multiplication of only 32 and 7, getting 2 to 4, but it has 3 zeros and it has 3 zeros. The number of zeros, totally number of zeros as per rule we have to include. So I have got here 6 zeros and ultimately the answer is this much. Is it clear? I hope so. Very easy pattern. Now question 4b. This question is determine the estimation quotient. Quotient means we have to find the divide. Greatest place. Greatest place means whatever the greatest place. This number is 3 digit and this number is 2 digits number. So greatest place means it has the greatest place 10. So we have to convert according to tens value. So after 10 value, after conversion, according to tens place, I have got the real value of 385 is 390, round off, and 29 is 30. After division workout, you have to show the division workout, and ultimately you will get 13 sure and short. In this way, this answer is 13. In this way, this exercise 1.7 I have already explained you. I hope so you can understand clearly, and homework is complete the whole exercise in your long register. ये कहते हुए मैं आज की क्लास ओवर कर रहा हूँ। होमवर्क आपको करके रखना है।